In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change design on mobile Squarespace. If you want your site to look as polished on a phone as it does on a laptop, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to switch views and how to fine-tune your design for small screens without any guesswork. Start by opening your Squarespace editor and, in the left sidebar, click Website. This takes you into the live editor for your site. At the top right of the editor, you'll see device icons. Click the phone icon. Instantly, the canvas switches to a mobile preview, so you're now looking at your pages the way visitors see them on a smartphone. Think of this as a lens on the same site, not a separate version. You're working with the same content and settings, just viewed in a narrower, touch-friendly layout. With Mobile View active, make your design changes right here. Adjust section spacing so text and images have room to breathe. Check that headings wrap neatly, and make sure buttons are easy to tap with a thumb. If a photo crops awkwardly, set a focal point so the most important part of the image stays visible. Review galleries, stacks of content blocks, and any side-by-side layouts. On mobile, these typically stack vertically, so you may want to reorder blocks or simplify where needed. Open your navigation from the menu icon to confirm the links are readable and not overlapping other elements. As you work, scroll through a few key pages, your home page, a product or services page, and your contact page to confirm everything feels consistent and clear. A quick but important reminder, major style changes, like global colors, fonts, and overall site spacing, are shared between mobile and desktop. If you update a color palette or switch typography while viewing mobile, those choices will also affect the desktop version. For small, mobile-specific refinements, favor per section and per block options such as spacing, alignment, image focal points, and visibility settings, since these can help you fine-tune without redesigning the entire site. Squarespace saves as you go, so your improvements are preserved while you continue editing. Take a final pass in the mobile view to ensure text is legible, images are framed well, and key actions, like contacting you or purchasing, are easy to complete. That's all there is to it. Click Website, switch to the phone icon for mobile view, make your adjustments with the mobile experience in mind, and remember that global style changes apply across devices. With that, your site will look polished and effortless on every screen.